friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Acer's new Chromebook Spin 714 and Chromebook Enterprise Spin 714. So friend, Acer launched its premium convertible Chromebooks, the Acer Chromebook Spin 714 and Acer Chromebook Enterprise Spin 714, supporting the needs of consumers, families and business. This line is powered by a new 13th generation Intel Core processor, 10-hour battery life with fast charging and new features delivered in eco-friendly packaging, which is made from fully recyclable material. And friend, the 16 10 14-inch Chromebook also provides vivid displays and high-quality video conferencing with its WUXGA display, 100% sRGB coverage, a built-in UHD 2K webcam. And friend, the new Acer Chromebook Spin 714 and Enterprise Spin 714 have the performance and productivity boosting features that make them ideal for executives and mobile professionals as well as consumers and students taking on more advanced specifications. So friend, the Chromebooks stay connected via Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2 as well as to additional devices via a range of ports including HDMI and 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports. Unlocking the device is made quicker while data also remains secure via optimal fingerprint reader. And the backlit keyboard and cornering Gorilla Glass touchpad deliver a premium feel, making them a joy to use. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, the Acer Chromebook Spin 714 will be available at the price of $699.99 US. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.